Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about determinants of health. This class is in English, and if you want to study the same topic in Hindi, just click on I button. You will get link of Hindi lecture and you can visit my channel also. Let us start. Are the determinants of health? The term determinants of health was introduced in 1970s and it refers to those factors that have significant influence, whether positive or negative, on health. Means they determine our health status. Health is the result of multiple factors including genetic, biological, lifestyle factors relating to the individual and those factors relating to the structure of society and its politics. The health determinants are grouped as under biological determinants, nutritional determinants, behavioral and socio-cultural determinants, environmental determinants, socio-economic determinants, health services or health care determinants, and other determinants. We will discuss these groups one by one. First is biological determinants. Biological determinants includes our genetic structure. Many of physical and psychological characteristics are decided by genetic information that we get from our parents. A number of diseases are also associated with genes, such as chromosomal anomalies, errors of metabolism, and mental retardation, etc. It is the main determinant of health as human life starts from our genetic makeup. It is estimated that approximately 30,000 genes are there in human genome, which we get from our parents. Our physique, height, weight, color also affects our health as these features become the part of our personality. Second is nutritional determinants. Nutrition is another important determinant of health. It has individual, family, and community dimensions. There are differences, for example, in east or west, or rural or urban. When we check these communities, when we assess, we found a lot of differences in nutritional intake. Generally, at one end or one side, you can see there is less physical activity and calorie overload, but poor nutrition, mainly due to junk food consumption in the upper class. While at the other end, there may be calorie deficiency, protein malnutrition, and undernourishment, especially in the poor class. Poor people living in urban areas may have a diet consisting of cheap energy, mainly from sugar-rich foods, with little intake of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. They have relatively less physical activity. On the other hand, poor communities from rural areas might have intense physical activity but not sufficient energy and protein. Next, behavioral and socio-cultural determinant. Behavioral and socio-cultural determinant is also known as lifestyle determinant. What and how we behave in the environment, be it physical, social or cultural, it have definite effect on our health. Lifestyle are earned through the interaction with the parents, peer group, friends, school, and media. And this lifestyle affects our health. If we are using healthy lifestyle such as morning walk, yoga, exercise, enough sleep, maintenance of good hygiene, they determine our positive health. They promote our health. And while unhealthy lifestyle such as smoking, drinking, late sleeping, late arising leads to deterioration of health. Even social interaction and cultural activities also determine our health. Environmental determinants. Environment, be it internal or external, affects our health. Internal environment is defined as each and every component of our body, such as cells, tissues, organs, hormones, and other chemicals of our body. External environment is each and everything which surrounds us, such as air, plants, society, human beings, animals, friends, all affect our health in positive way or in negative way. Urban communities face problems related to environmental degradation, air and water pollution. Rural communities face problems related to sanitation, hygiene, insecticide, pesticides, and agrochemicals. Thus, the poor are most likely to suffer because of negative effect of this determinant of health. It is a well established fact that the environment has direct effect on physical, mental and social well-being of those who are living in it. The environmental factors range from housing, water, psychological stress, family structure and social support system. Next is socio-economic determinant. The majority of people's health status is determined by their level of socio-economic development. These factors include economic status, educational status, employment, housing, and political system of the country. Poor economic status reduces the access to medical care. Poor economy and poor educational status also affects the nutritional intake and awareness of people, which further results in poor health. Good educational status can improve awareness and in turn results in good health, which can be proved by the example of Kerala state in India. Now, health service or health care determinant availability and accessibility to medical care also determines our health status. The main purpose of health service is to improve the health status of the people. For example, availability of good immunization services in an area increase herd immunity of the population and decrease the rate of disease incidence or disease occurrence. Other determinants. Other determinants include aging of the population, where older people and small children are at higher risk of developing illnesses. Gender is also a determinant of health. There are some disorders which are more prevalent in females, such as anemia, cancers, and gynecological problems. Infrastructure development, communication technology, information technology development, scientific development are other important determinants of health and affects our health mostly in positive way. So these are the determinants of health. For watching such videos, you can subscribe my channel, My Student Support System, like my Facebook page, My Student Support System, and for making your notes and contents, you can visit mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. There is a search box here and you can find your notes or topics. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join my Facebook group, Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.